Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the modern wooden corner and wall in front shelf designs. You can decorate your living and interior home decor by using the different types of wood with different colors combinations with your walls and that sheet. So please tell me your best design from this collection in the comment section below, and subscribe my latest decor ideas YouTube channel because this channel is specially designed for you to decor and get the most latest ideas and designs for you. Like and share this video to your colleagues, design enthusiasts and others, and on different social media platforms. Thanks for watching this video.